Now we move to the last part of this comparative and superlative form lesson. We are going to talk about the long adjectives and how we can form the comparative and the superlative with these long adjectives. Okay, good. So long adjectives. The structure is as follows: more plus adjective plus than. Okay, example, look at the adjective intelligent. Intelligent is a long adjective. Okay, adjective, sorry. Intelligent. The comparative form is more intelligent than. Okay, more intelligent than. Okay. Look at the sentence, the example. She is more intelligent than me. Okay, I'm comparing myself to her. And I say she is more intelligent than me. Okay, so it's a comparison between me and her. Remember, comparison. Example, next example. Ifrane, you know, the city Ifrane is more beautiful than Muhammadiyah. Here I'm comparing Ifrane to Muhammadiyah and I say it's more beautiful. So more plus adjective plus than. Okay. Notice here with long adjectives we do not alter the morphology of the word. Okay. So beautiful remains beautiful. All we have to do is add more, okay, and here than. More beautiful than. Okay, this is how we do with long adjectives. Okay, so recapitulation: the comparative form with long adjectives, the structure is more plus adjective plus than. Okay, example, intelligent, more intelligent than. Sentence: she is more intelligent than me. Sentence number 2: Ifrane is more beautiful than Muhammadiyah. Okay, now shall we move to the superlative form with long adjectives? Okay, let's go. Forming the superlative. Of course, long adjectives. Now, what is the structure? The structure is the plus most plus adjective. The plus most plus adjective. Example, attractive. Okay, the adjective attractive. The superlative form is the most attractive. The most attractive. Examples. Okay, I provided 3 examples. It is the most expensive car in the world. It is the most expensive car in the world. Here I'm talking about a car. Okay, I'm comparing a car, okay, to a group of other cars. What do you think? What car I'm talking about? So what is the most expensive car in the world? Yeah, you're right. It's a Lamborghini. It's the most expensive car in the world. Expensive means costs a lot of money. Okay, a lot of money. So it is the most expensive car in the world. Number 2, she is the most beautiful actress in Hollywood. She is the most beautiful actress in Hollywood. Okay, so here I'm comparing an actress, a woman, to all actresses of Hollywood. Okay, Hollywood is the capital of movies in America. Well, it's the capital of cinema in the world. She is the most beautiful. She's on top. Nobody is more beautiful than her. She's the most beautiful. Number 3, it is the most important book I have ever read. I'm talking about a book. Okay, by the way, besides teaching, reading is one other passion that I have. Okay, I advise you to read a lot. Okay, it's very important. especially if you want to learn a language. Number 3, it is the most important book I have ever read. There is one book that I think is the most interesting or the most important book that I have ever read. We talked about how to form comparative and superlative with short adjectives, and we talked about how to form comparatives and superlatives with long adjectives. Thank you very much, and see you next lesson.